Brother Sandeep, did sister Nipa reach home? Because she's not here.
Mithai, what are you saying? Nipa is supposed to be at the parlor. Where are you?
Hello? Yeah, Mithai. Where is Nipa?
But the lady at the beauty parlor told me that sister Nipa had left in a car long ago.
Please don't think of going anywhere now. The matter will be exposed in that case. Siddharth has gone with Rudra. They will definitely bring some news about Nipa.
I'm really scared, you know. Will Dad be able to tolerate this news?
I will marry Nipa and no one else.
You just keep quiet. Don't say a word. I'll marry Nipa. Ratul, life is not a cinema. Marriages don't happen like this. I will not accept this marriage, not at any cost. Torsha and Revati had warned us so many times. In spite of all their warnings, I did not pay any heed. You are playing so many tricks to make your place in this family. How could you do this to my daughter? Just for your own personal gain, Mithai. How?
Adi, you rascal.
I promise you, I'll see that no one says anything to you. I'll make sure.
No, please. I won't go home. I won't go home, Sid. No, Sid.
Nipa, you have to go home now, Nipa. Nipa, you have to go home. You're supposed to get married to Ratul. Have you forgotten? There is no point in talking about this. It is also possible that someone trapped Nipa and she didn't realize it.
No, Somresh. You can't save the family honor by saying all that. I think we should tell everybody that this wedding stands cancelled.
Rajiv, please come here. Please come, join me in lifting the seat. Siddharth, you also, please come.
Siddharth, come here, please.
Aunt, are these rituals too important?
Aunt Opa, the sister is going to the wedding venue. Will the brother still stand far away?
Mithai, let it be. Can't you see that everyone is in a somber mood? Siddharth is probably not able to accept that she's getting married in this manner.
Sister Nanda, where is the vermilion?
Upstairs.
It's upstairs. Okay, I'll get it.
Mithai.
Wait. Come here, my child. Come here. Come here.
It's okay.
Ratul, say I am taking up your responsibility for the next 7 lifetimes.
I'm taking up your responsibility for the next 7 lifetimes, Nipa.
Brother Ratul, give me the plate. You can receive the call.
It's an important call. I have to take this.
I'm not feeling any pain. Why should I feel any pain? It is not easy for Ratul to accept everything so soon. As of now, we have managed. But when we go to the Manohara house in the evening, if Ratul doesn't come back by then, that will be a problem.
Rajiv, Ratul wanted the guitar, right? Where is he?
Siddharth, he will come in some time. He has gone out for some official work.
What do you mean? What official work? As far as I'm aware, he hasn't joined any office yet.
The sad and dull night of the last year has passed,
Come on, let's have a new beginning. Come on, join hands. Is everyone ready?
Ready.
Yes.
Ready. Ready.
If you say that you didn't marry him willingly, you were compelled to marry Sid because of circumstances, and you don't want to be in this relationship, everything will be done smoothly, Mithai.
Why will Mithai say all this? She isn't facing any problem in the family. To be honest, Ratul and Shri just got married. My family is going through a rough patch and we all are trying to recover from it. So please, let's not discuss about this today.
Shri got married willingly to save the reputation of this family. And she's respecting her marriage. You don't respect what you did for your grandpa's sake, and that is so disappointing. So, it is time to end this act.